So my Pats came in the mail today. Already unboxed it because I don't make sure everything's there. So this is what you got in your kit there. We got the quick attach. Go on your lower links. All these bolts, they screw in here, and that's kind of to center and hang on to your lower links. Those go there. Got some shims to help shim it. And we got the washers that linchpin goes here, like so that these don't damage. But yeah, I'll unhook my wood chipper and I will get started on putting this together. So I got the wood chipper off. So those Pats, they slide on here. My lower links are fairly dirty. I will clean these up first before I put these on. I put these on and keep them on. But yeah, I'll get them cleaned up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the lower links cleaned on both sides. I use fluid film for this stuff. Works pretty good. Kind of doesn't draw as much or doesn't track as much dirt and dust as other stuff. But these Pats, there's a pin, there's a hole in it that goes on the inside. You can, it comes with a rod, alignment rod, but since I have a Kubota, I already have the stabilizer, so I won't use the alignment rod on my application, but you know. So yeah, pin fits fairly tight in the Pat, so it's gotta be tapped in. And there's a big cotter pin that goes on this side. So the idea is to get your arms pretty much level, everything all level and true, and tighten it up. So there is shims that goes under here until you find the right thickness. Two thicknesses of shims. Let's see which one I need here. So the thin one didn't work, so I'll try the thick one. And it's going to be the thick one. There's also a pin for the shims that you put in so that it keeps them in place. I use Loctite on all these screws. There's a jam nut, but recommend some Loctite. I just got some Loctite from my RC trucks. It's designed to come off, so you don't want anything too permanent. I'll get this all set up and show you how it looks like when I'm done. So right now I'm just putting in these bolts. There's 4 holes, 2 on each side. So a little bit of Loctite. And screw it in. Now, surprisingly, these heads are all 14 mil. Worked out good because I was just working on my tractor the other day and kind of left everything out. Upside is I have to have my 14 mil out. So yes. So once you get both sides on, I only have the one side on. You want to make sure you're, let's see this here. Yeah. You want this arm to sit level. You want your Pats to sit level. I got my lower links pretty much level, so with the biggest shim, back up over here, there you go. It's looking pretty level. So yeah, I'll continue on, put this on. So like I said, 2 bolts, 1 each side. Then you got your U-clamp that holds this down on your arm, and the U-clamp uses 2 nuts, one on each side. I'm going to put Loctite on those as well too. So I'll be back. Okay, so I got everything adjusted, and right now I'm just tying up these jam nuts, and I'm just going to put a dab of Loctite on each one, so I know that they don't go loose. Thing too is, you can see, oh, where's that? There we go. These clamps kind of stick down a ways down. I'm going to cut those off too with a zip disc. But anyways, yeah, install was pretty easy. Just, you know, make sure your arms, mine are, so the Kubota, these ones are quite easy to tell if they're straight up and down or not. This hole in there, and I tightened it up so everything was parallel and equal, and so far, yeah, easy. Then there's a lock for this. Flip this open, and you can open and lock. You can actually even lock it open too if you want. But yes, can't try it. My top link might be a little on the short side because these do add 4 inches from here to here. I did measure it, measure tape. The PTO shaft from a wood chipper, I knew I was going to get a quick attach, so I caught it as short as it just needed to be. It actually was, I couldn't lift it up all the way because the dry shaft would bind. So it's plenty of room for the dry shaft. But anyways, that was the install for the Pat's quick hitch. Like I said, there's a rod that goes here, but with these arms I have on my Kubota, I don't need them because it's, yeah, they're basically stuck there. There's a bunch of different holes you can choose from. I have a nice little bend in that one. I'll have to get a new one of these, but yeah. Well, I think it took me 30 minutes altogether to get these hooked up. Just got to tighten them up a little bit and they're good to go. Thanks for watching.